Hello student, today we will see how to draw shear force and bending moment diagram for a beam, simply supported beam subjected to a moment or a couple. For that, let us consider this example. A simply supported beam of span 5 meter is loaded with a clockwise moment of 20 kilonewton meter at a distance 3 meter from left support. Draw SFD and DMD. Now, this is the beam AB of 5 meter span and at C at a distance 3 meter from A, that is left support, a 20 kilonewton meter clockwise moment is applied. Now, to start with, let us find the reactions of the beam, and to find the reaction, let us apply. So, conditions of equilibrium. So, applying conditions of equilibrium. As you know, there are three conditions of equilibrium. First is sigma fx is equal to 0. This condition is already satisfied because there is no horizontal force. Second condition, sigma fy equal to 0. For that, I will apply all upward vertical forces positive and all downward vertical forces negative. So RA is upward plus RB must be equal to 0. Remember, here don't consider this 20 kilonewton meter moment because it is a moment, not a force, and we are applying the second condition of equilibrium, that is sum of all vertical forces must be equal to 0. So add only the forces, don't add forces and moment. Remember, we never add area in volume or volume in area. Similarly, don't add forces and moment. The addition is impossible. We can't do like that. So only consider for this condition the vertical forces, that is RA and RB. So simplifying this, what I will get, RA is equal to minus RB. So this is the first equation, so equation number 1. Now applying the third condition of equilibrium, sigma m is equal to 0. For that, I will consider all clockwise moment positive, all anti-clockwise moment negative. Now taking moment about say B, taking moment about B, remember all clockwise moment positive, all anti-clockwise moment negative. Now RA into 5, this is a clockwise moment I am assuming, so plus, then plus 20. Here we can take this 20 kilonewton meter because now we are adding the moment, and 20 kilonewton meter is a moment, and as it is clockwise I will giving it as plus, I am assuming it as plus. Now don't consider the distance between C and B. This 20 kilonewton meter is itself a moment. Don't consider the distance up to B again. Plus RB into 0, as RB passes through B, the perpendicular distance is 0. The sum must be equal to 0. So simplifying this, what I will get, 5RA plus 20 is equal to 0. So 5RA is equal to minus 20, and therefore RA equal to minus 20 divided by 5, and therefore I got RA equal to minus 4 kilonewton. Minus sign indicate it is not upward, so I can write it here 4 kilonewton downward. So Ra is downward. Then taking moment about A. Here we calculate Ra and Rb separately, and then we will check according to the addition is according to the equation number 1 or not. So taking moment about A, Ra into 0 as Ra passes to A, the perpendicular distance is 0, plus 20 minus Rb into 5. This is anticlockwise moment. This must be equal to 0. So 5 Rb is equal to 20, and therefore Rb equal to 20 divided by 5, that is plus 4 kilonewton. Now let us check the addition of this. Check Ra plus Rb. Ra is minus 4, Rb is plus 4, so it is 0. So this is according to the equation number 1. That means Ra plus Rb equal to 0 or Ra equal to minus Rb. Now let us draw the shear force diagram. For that, I will extend these lines, project these lines. Draw a baseline first for the shear force diagram. Then at A, remember at A there is downward reaction, not upward. In this case, Ra is 4 kilonewton. So as it is minus, I am showing it in downward direction, and Rb is upward, that is also 4 kilonewton. Now to start with, from this baseline, from A, I will draw 4 kilonewton. Downward, take a suitable scale. You can draw 4 centimeter. Mark here 4, as it is minus, I am drawing below the baseline. Then from A to B, there is no force. Yes, there is moment at C, but we are drawing force diagram. So don't consider that 20 kilonewton meter moment, because it is a moment, not a force. And at B, there is an upward reaction of 4 kilonewton. So this complete the shear force diagram. As this is below the baseline, mark it minus. Let us do some shading work. Then give name to this diagram, SFD. The unit is kilonewton. Also 4 here. Now after drawing the shear force diagram, let us calculate bending moment at each point. So for bending moment diagram and bending moment calculation, let us consider this sign convention. Suppose this is a section, a clockwise movement on LHS and anti-clockwise movement on RHS. Consider positive. And suppose this is a section, anti-clockwise movement on LHS and clockwise movement on RHS. Consider negative. Now bending moment at A is 0. It is a simple end support. So bending moment is 0 at A. Similarly, bending moment at B is also 0. Simple end support. Now let us calculate bending moment at C. First consider left hand side. C. On I am considering this section C. This is A, which is not upward, it is a downward 4 kilonewton. This is A. This distance is given as 3 meter. So bending moment at C due to this 4 kilonewton RA, 4 into 3, that is 12, but remember it is anti-clockwise on left hand side, so it is negative. According to our sign convention, it is now minus 12 kilonewton meter. Now I will consider bending moment at C and right hand side now. On the right hand side of C, suppose this is a section C, this is RB, which is upward 4 kilonewton, and the distance is 2 meter from B to C. So it is 4 into 2, 8. Remember it is anti-clockwise on the right hand side, so plus. So it is plus 8 kilonewton meter. So at C, you will find that there are two movements. If you consider left hand side, it is minus 12 kilonewton meter, and if you consider the right hand side, it is plus 8 kilonewton meter. So let us draw the bending moment diagram. First of all, draw a baseline. Bending moment at A is 0. Bending moment at B is 0. If you consider the left hand side of C, the bending moment is minus 12. So as it is minus, I will mark 12 below the baseline and below the C. Remember, at C, there is a clockwise movement of 20 kilonewton meter. So this is minus 12, and at C plus 20, that is the clockwise movement. So minus 12 plus 20, what I will get is plus 8. So I will mark plus 8, means above the baseline, 8 here. And C, if you consider the right hand side of C, the bending moment is plus 8. So it is whatever diagram drawn is correct. So join these 2 points, that is plus 8 and 0 at bending moment at B, it is 0. So join these 2 points. I will repeat, at C, if you consider left hand side, the moment is minus 12. At C, there is a clockwise movement of 20. So minus 12 plus 20, that is plus 8. And same moment we get, that is plus 8, if we consider the right hand side of C. So mark above the baseline positive, below the baseline negative. Shading. Write the name of the diagram, BMD, unit kilonewton meter. So this complete our shear force as well as bending moment diagram for a beam subjected to couple or subjected to moment. Thank you.